Welcome to watch this video. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Mobazha store on a remote machine. For example, a VPS instance. We have put the Linux binary here, and firstly, let's SH to our remote machine. And we create a folder and then download the binary. I wget. Okay, the binary is here, and make sure the binary is executable. Search mode executable. Mobazha D. Okay. We get the binary, and by default, the binary when we run the binary the first time, it will generate a data folder for it. And by default, the data folder is in your home folder, such as this one, blah blah Mobazha. Okay. Let's have a try. Mobazha, and with command start. Okay, let's start it. Now, yeah, the node is started. Okay, and this is just wrong, and let's stop it, and check. Right. In this photo, you can find here is your data store data photo, and you need to backup this photo. It will store all your data in this photo. And if you don't want to use the default data photo, you can specify your own data photo. So let's show. Let's firstly remove this one. And now I want to use a specified photo. For example, in my I have a data photo in the root path, and I will use this photo for my store. Then you can do it like this: star with parameter -d mean your data photo, and for the path. Now the photo is put in the target path. A second. Right here, put the department path. And please be noticed that we need to do some modification firstly. In this configuration file, and let's modify the data DL to match the path we give to it. Okay, that is now yeah, now it is works. And if you know when run this one, if you terminate the if you end this session, the binary will stop to execute. To make it always run in backend, we use the no-hop tool, no-hop, and follow this one, and then run. Now you your Mobazha node is running. Okay, and you can find it. You can find it by use command Mobazha to find the okay, to find the process. The process is running here, and this process will use the port 5102, and mm, let's open the port on this machine. Mm, I will add the port 5102 and O one, and uh, which node? Let me check. Mm. Five o one and 7102 for these two nodes, they use for the IPFS one. You can open it or not. It will to help to um for the communication and the backup data backup for other stores. Okay. Um, and this node is your store main node. Okay, I forgot one thing. Uh, uh, because I want to remote access, I need to make the port visible to outside. Okay, and another thing is that if you want to make this node to be remote access, we need add a password, add a credential and the certificates. And here to specify your certificate file for SSL. And this time I will skip it. And this one is for your remote access credential. And yeah, the credential, let's copy it. For the username, for example, I just use Alice. And for the password is SHA-256 hashi, and we can use some tool to generate. For example, SHA online tool password. Okay. I just use this one as an example, and for your own, please use some high security some security items for your password. All your data is are protected by the password. Okay, and I put it here. Just for example here, and you need to remember your password. Okay. We configured the credential, and we have um we have enabled the gateway to outside for 0. Okay, and we have add the port. This one is not necessary. Okay, you can edit or not. Just this for this port is not is needed, and you can use if you use engines, then you can not open this port and use engines to proxy some other port to this port. For example, uh, 80 uh, port or some other port to this one. Okay. Because I have modified my configuration file, I need to rerun the binary to make the gateway available to outside access. So let's rerun our binary. Directly kill the process and rerun it. Use the no hub command. Yeah, use the no hub command. Run again. Okay, the node is running now. And for we now let's do the connection to the remote node. Uh, Beforehand, you need to download the desktop app on your machine. This is for Windows, this is for Mac, and this is for Linux. And the for this binary, it has an embedded node. Um, if you need, I will provide none. Only the desktop application without the node, but this one has a node. I just yeah, I have installed it before. Mm, yeah, this one, and let me open. I connect to my built-in server. I don't want to connect to my built-in server. Then create new, or you can here and use this one and manage server. You will go to this page. Now I create new one. Name is demo Linux remote. Okay, Linux remote, and we need input the IP of the server. If you have a domain name, you can use domain name. Right. Um. Okay. And here is the password, Alice, and the password is the one we input just now. And for this one, I haven't enabled SSL, so I turn off SSL, and the port is 5102. This not check, and then save. Yes, proceed. Okay, you can see, we connect to our port now, and you can do your initialization. Okay, you can watch some other video for how to use. Um, for example, do your own store configuration and do direct payment and moderate payment. Okay. Thank you for watching.